Hi guys, welcome to Python tutorial. In this session, we are going to learn Python tuples. So tuple is a collection data types which are immutable in nature. That means this tuple is almost similar to the list, which is going to maintain the insertion order, but only difference is that lists are mutable objects. Once you create a list, you can change the structure or the you can add an elements or remove an element. But in the case of tuple, it is in fixed in size, means it is tuples are immutable, and it maintains the insertion order, and also it accepts the heterogeneous data types. As tuples are immutable, you can use tuples as a key in dictionary. Dictionary is a another collection data types which is going to maintains key and value pair relationship. If you are familiar with the other languages like Java, dictionary is almost equal to the map, where it maintains the key and value pair relationship. Now, as these are the tuples are in fixed in nature, you cannot add in elements to the tuple. At the same time, you cannot delete or remove the elements to the elements from the tuple, but you can find a particular element is available in the given tuple or not, and also you can check for the existence of an element, and also you can check for how many times the given object is occurred in the given tuple. Let us go ahead and start with an example so that it is easy for us to understand. In order to create a tuple, you can create using the open parenthesis, and you can specify the elements. As it is a heterogeneous data type, it is going to accept the different data types C++. Okay, once I define a tuple, I cannot change the structure of it. Hence this is in a fixed in nature. That means tuples are mutable. Now if I print this tuple, you can see that it is printing the value in the same order. So it is maintaining the insertion order, and also it is accepting the heterogeneous data types. Now what we can do is we can find the given element is available in this particular tuple or not. That we can find by using the count. So in tuple1 dot count, and if I pass the object here, then this method is going to return how many times the given object is occurred in the given tuple. And also if you pass the object, it is going to return as the index. So in order to find the index, you can have the index method, and it is going to accept the object, and which is going to return at what position the given object is present. In this case, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th. So fifth position, the Java element is there, hence it returns fifth. And if you want to find given element is existing or not using the in operator, so user input equal to Java, and now I want to see whether this particular element is available in the tuple or not. You can identify using the in operator. User input in tuple 1. So it is going to return, if it is fine, then it is going to return true, otherwise it is going to return false. Okay, so except these operation, you cannot do any further modification to the tuple, because these are fixed in nature, that is immutable. Okay, so now let us see the basic difference between the list versus tuple in Python. So as we know that tuples are immutable, whereas lists are dynamic in nature. So tuples are faster than lists because these are fixed in nature, hence you cannot add any further elements or remove. Hence, when you are going for the navigation, that means basically for iteration purpose, tuples are faster. And also whenever you are providing in any write code protected data related to the particular functionality, then tuples are makes your code safer. If you are using like a write protected data, that does not needs to be changed, because once you provide a tuple, then no other functionality can change this one, hence your code becomes very safer. But whereas if you come to the list, Lists accept the heterogeneous data types which are in mutable objects. And if you have a requirement where you have to change the structure of the data type collection once it is created, then the better choice is going to be the list. Hope you clear with the concept. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.